NordVPN, fast VPN for privacy. Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you an app. It's called NordVPN. So you can see the rating of the 4 out of 5 and 746 k reviews. It means 746 thousands plus people write something, and 40 megabyte size of the app, and 50 million plus people already downloaded this app. And there are some screenshot, like it's really easy to use. You just need to install, and after then you can choose any country. There are some free country available, and there are some premium country. So if you click on that, the leading app in data safety, and here are many countries, like you can see 5020 plus servers in 60 countries. So protect online, you can use proxy server. Simply click on install, and it takes few time to install in your device. You can install this from Google Play Store and App Store. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.